Hi everyone, today we are going to see about the Management Information System. I am Sasi. Objectives. The students is able to explain what is MIS, enlist the definition of MIS, narrate the objectives of MIS, enumerate the characteristics of MIS, discuss the objectives and benefits of MIS. Introduction. MIS is the use of information technology, people and business process to record, store and process data to produce information that decision makers can use to make day-to-day decisions. The three components of MIS provides a more complete and focused definition where systems suggest integration and holistic view. Information stands for processed data and management is the ultimate user, the decision makers. A management information system is an integrated user-machine system for providing information to support the operations, management, analysis, and decision-making function in an organization. The system utilizes computer, hardware, and software, manual procedures, model for analysis, planning, control, and decision-making, and a database. What is MIS? Management Information System is a computer-based information system which is basically concerned with processing data into information which is then communicated to the various departments in an organization to support the operations, the management and the decision-making function in the organization. Definition of MIS. Management Information System or MIS broadly refers to a computer-based system that provides managers with the tools to organize, evaluate and efficiently manage departments within the organization. Why MIS? Managers makes decision all the time. There is an overload of information. All information is not useful. Anything which helps manager improve his decision making will obviously lead to better result. MIS is a system where data is the input which is processed to provide output in the form of information reports, summaries, etc. which aid the manager's decision making process. Management. Management is the effective utilization of human and material resources to achieve the enterprise objective. It is a process consisting of the 5 basic functions. First one is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. That is POSCAP. Information. Information in MIS means the processed data that helps the management in planning, controlling and operations. Data means unstructured raw facts, observations or unevaluated messages in isolation. Data involves fact and figures. Information on the other hand is like a finished product. System. A system is an orderly grouping of interdependent components linked together according to a plan to achieve a specific objectives. Human body is a system composed of various parts which are working together towards a common objective. Information system. An information system is an organized combination of people, hardware, software, communication, network and data resources that collects, transforms and disseminates in an organization. Objectives of MIS. The goals of an MIS are to implement the organizational structure and dynamics of the enterprises for the purpose of managing the organization in a better way and capturing the potential of the information system for competitive advantage. Following are the basic objectives of an MIS. First one is capturing data. Capturing contextual data or operational information that will contribute in decision making from various internal and external sources of organization. The next one is processing data. The captured data is processed into information needed for planning, organizing, coordinating, directing and controlling functionalities at strategic and tactical and operation level. Processing data means making calculation of the data, sorting data, classifying data and summarizing data. The next one is information storage. Information or processed data need to be stored for future use. Information retrieval. The system should be able to retrieve this information from the storage as and when required by various users. Information propagation. Information on the finished products of the MIS should be circulated to its users periodically using the organizational network. Characteristics of MIS. Following are the characteristics of an MIS. It should be based on a long-term planning. You should provide a holistic view of the dynamics and the structure of the organization. It should work as a complete and comprehensive system covering all the interconnecting subsystems within the organization. It should be planned in a top-down way, as the decision makers of the management should actively take part and provide clear direction at the development stage of the MIS. It should be based on the need of strategic, operational and tactical information of managers of an organization. It should also take care of exceptional situations by reporting such situations. You should be able to make forecasts and estimates and generate advanced information, thus providing a competitive advantage. Decision makers can take action on the basis of such predictions. You should create linkage between all subsystems within the organization so that the decision makers can take the right decision based on an integrated view. You should allow easy flow of information through various subsystems, thus avoiding redundancy and duplicity of data. You should simplify the operations with as much practicability as possible. Although the MIS is an integrated, complete system, it should be made in such a flexible way that it could be easily split into a smaller subsystem as and when required. A central database is the backbone of a well-built MIS. Characteristics of computerized MIS. You should be able to process data accurately and with high speed using various techniques like operations, research, simulation, heuristics. You should be able to collect, organize, manipulate and update large amount of raw data of both related and unrelated nature coming from various internal and external sources at different period of time. You should provide real-time information on ongoing event without any delay. You should support various output formats and follow latest rules and regulation in practice. You should provide organized and relevant information for all levels of management, strategic, operational, and tactical. You should aim at extreme flexibility in data storage and retrieval. Components of information system. The first one is input, processor, output, people, hardware, software, data, network. And we are seeing about the types of management information system. We have different types. The first one is executive support system and decision support system, knowledge management system. We will see one by one. Executive support system designed to help senior management make strategic decisions. ESS typically involve lots of data analysis and modeling tools to help strategic decision making. Decision support system specifically designed to help management making decisions in situations where there is uncertainty about the possible outcome of those decisions. Knowledge management system to help business create and share information. These are typically used in a business where employees create new knowledge and expertise which can then be shared by other people in the organization to create further commercial opportunities. MIS useful. Planning and control. MIS improves the quality of plans by providing relevant information for decision making. MIS serves as a link between manager planning and control. It improves the ability of management to evaluate and improve performance. And the next useful is minimizes information overload. MIS changes the larger amount of data into summarized form and therefore avoids the confusion which may arise when managers are flooded with detailed facts. And MIS encourages decentralization. Decentralization of authority is possible when there is a system for monitoring operation at lower levels. MIS is successfully used for measuring performance and making necessary changes in the organizational plans and procedures. And impact of the MIS. MIS improves the administration of the business by bringing a discipline in its operation as everybody is required to follow and use system and procedures. This process brings a high degree of professionalism in the business operations. Since the goals and objectives of MIS are the products of business goals and objectives, it helps indirectly to pull the entire organization in one direction towards the corporate goals and objectives by providing the relevant information to the people in the organization. Benefits of MIS. Data can easily be accessed and analyzed with time consuming and manipulation processing. Decision can be made more quickly and with confidence that the data are both time relevant and accurate. Integrated information can be also kept in categories that are meaningful to profitable operations. Significant cost benefits. Time savings, productivity gains, and process re-energizing opportunities are associated with the use of data warehouse for information processing. Conclusion: management information system must be implanted to provide proper information to those charged with the decision making. The facts would aid and improve the entire decision making process to come up with accurate and on-time strategic decisions. Management information system increases accessibility and sharing of correct and high quality information to the final users. For the management information systems to be effective, carefully thought, planned, and implemented database should be substitute to interconnect the modified decision. Reference: www.managementinformationsystem.com. Here I have taken the content. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Thank you.